Hello everyone, I am Shruti from Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. I am going to teach you the subject e-commerce. This subject is from BBA first year, second semester. Today's topic is HTML forms. What is form? Uh, for example, my registration page, first name, last name, password, retype password, additional information like gender, selection of jokes. Do you want more information on jokes? Enter your comment and then reset. Now, forms are the primary method for gathering data from site visitors. Create a form block with form tag. Example, form, name equal to my form, method, the method attribute tells how the form data should be sent via get or post request. Action attribute tells where the form data should be sent. Then form close. Text field are single line entry fields. Input type text, name, first name, values. Text area can contain multiple lines of text. Text area name comments. This is a multi-line text field. Hidden fields contain data not shown to user. Input type hidden, name account, value. This is a hidden text field. Create a checkbox. Input type checkbox, name and values are defined. Create a radio button. Input type radio, name and values are here. Radio buttons can be grouped, allowing only one to be selected from a group. Pull down menu or drop down list. Select name equal to gender, option, values, selected male, either male, female or others. Submit button, input type submit, name submit button, value, apply now. Reset button clears the form. Input type reset, name reset button, value, clear the form. Image button acts like submit but image is displayed instead of button. Type image, source submit.gif, any image, name and alt. Password input acts like normal text field but hides the text with asterisk sign. Input type equals to password, name equals to pass, values are nothing. Example of our HTML form is form, method, post, action, input, name, subject, type hidden, value class, select name degree, option value BA, either BA, BS, MBA, first name, type input type text, last name, input type text, student ID, input type password, gender, input type radio button, either male or female, email, input type text, then terms and condition. In terms and condition is a text area, then submit, input type submit button. Now this is the output of this HTML form. Degree from drop down list. First name is a text area, last name is also a text area, student ID is password, gender is radio button, email is text field, and terms and condition is multi-line text. This is from text area, and send form is a submit button. This is the example of a HTML forms. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching this channel for